same day sandwich loaf. She's beautiful. Start with 1 cup active starter and 2 cups warm water. 2 tablespoons olive oil. And give it a good stir until it looks like milk. This looks good. We're gonna add 4 cups flour. 1, 2. I just eyeball that, I don't level it off. 3, 4. And 1 tablespoon salt. Give it a good mix until it turns into a shaggy dough and everything's well incorporated. Use your hands if you need to. This looks good. That's what your dough should look like. Now cover it with a loose lid. I'm using a shower cap or plastic wrap or a towel. Set it aside for 1 hour. We'll be back to do stretch and folds. It's been 1 hour and we're back for our first round of stretch and folds. This is what it looks like. Wet your hand first, and we're gonna do 4. Grab it from the bottom, stretch and pull it up, and fold it over. I'm not getting a great stretch, but it's still gonna be good. The dough's pretty sticky, but it's still gonna be fine. You're gonna cover it back up, set it aside for 30 minutes, and we'll be back for our next round. It's been a half hour, and we're back for our second round of stretch and folds. Wet your hands, grab from the bottom, stretch it up, and fold it over. We're gonna do 4. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. You're gonna cover it back up, set it in a warm spot for a half hour, and we'll be back for our next set. It's been a half hour. We're gonna do our third set of stretch and pulls. We're gonna do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My dough is still a little sticky, but it's gonna bake just fine. Back on, keep in a warm place. See you back in a half hour. We're back for our 4th and final set of stretch and folds. Wet your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cover it up. This time we're gonna let it sit until it doubles in size. It's been about 4 hours and my dough is doubled. So we're gonna put it onto a floured surface. My dough does feel a little sticky. I'm gonna put a little extra flour on the top. This is gonna be baked in bread loaf pans, so we're gonna shape it into a rectangle. I'm gonna try to give it just a little tension. We're gonna do a real simple score. I'm gonna do 1 down the middle. It's gonna go right into my parchment lined pan. I'm gonna use a second bread pan as its lid right on top. It's gonna go on a cookie sheet in a 450-degree oven, and I'll let you know for how long. It's been cooking 1 hour and 5 minutes, covered the entire time. Let's see how it did. She rose beautifully. Now to let it sit and rest for 1 hour. I'll be back and we'll cut into it. Woo. Ooh, she's pretty. She's beautiful.